Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to See Liked Videos on Facebook. Let's dive right in. To begin, open the Facebook app and ensure you're logged in. Next, locate and tap the hamburger menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, located in the top right corner of the screen. Once the menu is open, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now, navigate to Your Activity Log. This section stores your complete activity history on Facebook. To narrow down your search, tap on Filters, located at the top. Here, you can specify the date range and choose specific categories such as likes and reactions. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.